Down the other end.
Because Letitia likes
This
to
is
go-
Seaside
she likes
Correctional Center.
Oh, she likes going there. You've been spitting a lot of hawkers lately.
I know.
Your hawker's better.
Gotta quit
No.
smoking. I like pine trees.
What's the branches?
Ladies, this way. Beatrix, let's go.
Huh? You can walk down here? I didn't know that you could.
What does it say?
It says no swimming. All pets must be on a leash.
Yeah. No swimming, no burping,
No,
no farting.
no.
Oh yeah, you brought me down.
We've never been down here.
I thought we'd been down this way.
No. No.
Is it open or is it closed?
It's all closed down. It used to be an insane asylum,
Oh.
like
Jeez.
Norwood State Hospital. This was another part of it.
Isn't that place haunted?
Yep. There's a graveyard somewhere around here too. I feel creepy already. And what's over there? That used to be something. They got outhouses.
Yeah, they got a lot of outhouses.
Yeah, the state was supposed to dismantle this and do something different or something.
Just, this wouldn't be a bad, I'll tell you the truth, you know what that'd be nice? Be a nice restaurant.
Yeah.
If you're overlooking something like that, and you got enough room.
It's pretty big because it goes way down over there.
You got enough room for parking.
We got an open space over here.
Yeah.
It's probably all fenced in at one time where they let the patients go outside or something.
Yeah, you can see.
Yeah, this is it. Seaside Asylum.
How many buildings is that? One building?
There's many.
Oh, I was gonna say, if that's just one, that'd be a good sized restaurant. That would be nice.
A hotel.
Or yeah,
No, bad stuff happened in that building.
yeah.
Really bad stuff.
Well, you figure put it.
See, there's a road that goes down there. Those were houses for, like, the chief executives and all that.
Is there cars down here?
Yeah, people live there.
And how they're getting in?
Through the gate.
But they just closed it.
They got their key. Place is huge.
Wow. Like I said, that would have been a beautiful.
Yeah, let me stop this recording for it. Here, this is the old Seaside Asylum. Right on the Pacific Ocean. All the mental patients and Down syndromes would be placed.